Moving on, next is an article from the Brick Marketing blog, from our blog, Building Content Clusters for AEO, Answer Engine Optimization, or AI Search. So this is an article that basically is, where we talk about the importance of creating content clusters that will help, your brand and your content's topical visibility in AI search. And I think that, remember, for those of you listening that you don't know really what the heck we're talking about, is AI search. You have, basically, AI SEO is the umbrella, which is search engine optimization essentially. Then you have generative engine optimization, which is for entities or brands and clarity of entities and brands. And then you have answer engine optimization, which essentially is content marketing, early and mid-level type sales level content where you're answering questions that's tying to your brand. What we're seeing is content clusters creating micro bursts of content so the AI platforms can actually digest the information is really helpful. Now, advice on this, and we tell our clients and we advise our clients to not choose one approach over another, right? You want to have a well-balanced content marketing strategy, understand what your strategy is first, and then roll it out. Say, okay, here's what's going to resonate first and foremost with my audience, tie into your business goals, and then start to say, okay, now is there useful content that we can create that will help us generate leads, generate any outcomes we're looking for that will also help an AI search. And that's kind of what we're alluding to in this article. So, Catherine, John, if you want to chime in on this one.
So AI, one thing that's really important for AI is that it loves to understand how your topic and all of your offshoot topics interrelate to each other. Mm-hmm. And this helps it understand who you are and what you're about, and helps it return your brand properly in its answer engines.
Right.
So one way that you can do this and to encourage AI's understanding of who you are and what you do is to do these content clusters. It's like Nick said, it's one strategy of many, but that's the theory behind it.
Right.
That AI needs to understand how things relate to one another. And this is one of the strategies that we have taken on that we have found to be really helpful for that.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. John, your thoughts?
Yeah, AI is still somewhat of an algorithm, but it's like a highly contextual algorithm. So things like content clusters are very helpful because it's able to easily read what you're about or whatever your article is about, say, and sort of, spit that out to whoever is asking questions on whatever platform it may be.
Yeah, absolutely.